In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the language on Amazon.com. So the first thing you want to do is you want to go to Amazon.com. As you can see, I'm at Amazon, the official website. And what you then want to do, you want to go up to see the flag icon. As you can see, I have an American flag, but this depends on your country. Then you want to click on this. And as you can see, here are the language settings. So my default language is English on Amazon.com, but if you want to change it to, for example, German, you can just hit German, Deutsch, and hit save. And now I successfully changed the language to German. So if this video helped you out, please leave a like, please subscribe, and see you next time.